Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Smart Money Minds. In today's video, I'm going to show you two Chinese stocks that I am paying close attention to right now. And the first one is BABA. Why is that? Let's check out BABA on the monthly chart here. So this is the monthly chart I'm showing you. And look at this area of confluence. This is a really good support level from 130 to about the 147, 150 zone right here. So it is a pretty big area, but we are looking on the monthly chart. So this area here is where we are coming back to, and we are entering that zone right now. So what I got here, zooming in on a smaller time frame on the daily and the weekly, we have a pattern here of a descending wedge. Now, we haven't quite confirmed this pattern because actually, no, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches here. But here we only got 2 touches on the falling wedge. But what I do like is that it is coming into the zone here between 150 and the 130 mark. So I actually entered a position first thing this morning at 145. So I am in. I looked into this chart. Now we had a slight couple of wicks down. This is the 5-minute chart. But check out the volume here. It's pretty decent bull volume. We had a couple of upper wicks here on the 5-minute, but I let the play go because I knew that I would add a second position if it came down a bit more. But what happened was that BABA was strong the entire day. And if you missed the initial entry right off the beginning here at 144, look at this, almost double bottom here from pre-market, and right here it couldn't break below 144 and it pushed up. Now, the entry zone, if you wanted to be a bit late, would have been right here on this 15-minute bull flag. Look at the decreasing bear volume, and as it broke out, increasing bull volume onto a new high. And that is the signal to get yourself into. Now, it's ending the day pretty well. There's not a lot of sell-off. There's some bear volume at the end of the day, but not a lot. And on the daily, I am expecting at least a pushback up to maybe the 155, 157 zone to at least test this upper trend line. And that would be a 8% move from the low down here. But as I said, I'm anticipating an even bigger move because look at the monthly chart. This monthly chart is coming back right into this zone here. Now, I'm thinking that if it is another bullish day tomorrow, we are going to add a little more size so that I increase my position sizing here, anticipating that we have a strong volume breakout, hopefully, up, maybe back test, and then continue up. And now on the longer time frame here, looking at the weekly chart, what I am seeing here also is that there is a zone around this 190 area where it is a area of confluence. So if we do get a weekly breakout here, I'm anticipating that this move with this Fibonacci retracement, this is between the 0.5 and the golden pocket here. So there is a chance that we will be looking up into this zone here. So from down here, if you even caught it, let's say tomorrow it opens flat, that is another 28 to 30% move. So keep this on watch. The second chart here I have is JD, another nice Chinese stock. So JD, we had a move from all-time high, pushing back down. We had a weekly bear flag confirming, and now we get back into this zone here where now we are pushing back up, and weekly, look at the higher low, and possibly we are looking at a higher high. Zooming in here, what we have is, I am looking at, let me get my drawing tool here, 72 zone here. That's a nice zone of support, and this was also the gap area here. So we gapped up, we came up, now we came back down, we back test this zone right over here. And now we're kind of dilly-dallying between this area 78 and 73 here. What I am expecting is a move like this, and a push back to the golden pocket, perhaps the $90 zone. So let's say if we get into tomorrow, that's a 19-20% move. If we do get a weekly confirmation of a higher low, higher high into this zone right over here. And JD wasn't a stock I got into today, but as I said, zooming into even the 1 hour, look at 73 zone here, 73, 72.88, 73.50. This is a very key zone of support. So we can set our stop at this range and expect that we get a reasonable move at least up to the 78 zone, if not higher. Let me know in the comments below what Chinese charts, or rather any chart that you are watching or want analyzed, and you let me know in the comments below and I will get to them for the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and then we'll see you guys next time.